In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word layout issues in just about 5 minutes. If you've ever opened a document in Word and found that the layout just doesn't look right, or if you're trying to create a document and the tools you need aren't easily accessible, don't worry. We're going to walk through a quick, simple process to get everything back on track and make sure you have all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Let's start at square one. The very beginning. No matter how you usually open Microsoft Word, today we're going to go through the Windows Start menu. So take a moment, find that Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen and give it a click. This is your gateway to everything on your computer. But today it's just our stepping stone to Word. Now with the Start menu open, you'll notice there's a search bar ready and willing to help you find whatever your heart desires on your PC. We're going to type Word into this search bar. Just those 4 letters, and you'll notice Microsoft Word begins to pop up as a recommended app. It's like magic, only it's technology. Once you see Microsoft Word appear, go ahead and click on it. This action will launch the application and you'll find yourself looking at the familiar or perhaps not so familiar interface of Microsoft Word. Don't be daunted if things look a bit out of place. That's exactly what we're here to fix. Now that Word is open, let's head to the Word home screen. This might involve clicking the Home tab if you're not there already. The home screen is where a lot of your basic formatting tools live. Your fonts, your sizes, your bolds, your italics. But we're on a mission to dig a bit deeper today. On the Word home screen, you'll notice an Option button. This button might be hiding in the File menu depending on your version of Word. So if you don't see it straight away, don't fret. Just click File and you should find Options near the bottom of the list that appears. Click on that. Within Options, we're looking for a particular choice today. Customize Ribbon. The ribbon in Microsoft Word is that strip of buttons and icons at the top of your window, full of all types of formatting and tool options. By customizing it, we can ensure that everything we need is visible and easily accessible. After clicking on Customize Ribbon, you'll find yourself in a new window with a lot of checkboxes and some drop-down menus. It can look a little overwhelming, but there's only one thing we're focusing on today. The Main tab. Look through the list until you find Layout. This might require a bit of scrolling, but it's there. Once you find Layout, make sure its corresponding box is checked. This action will ensure that the Layout tab is visible in your ribbon, giving you quick access to important features like margins, orientation, and size. Once you've checked the Layout box, hit OK at the bottom of the window. Voila! You've successfully customized your Microsoft Word ribbon to include the Layout tab prominently. Now, why is this important? Having the Layout tab readily accessible can significantly streamline your document creation process. It puts critical features like margin settings, page orientation, and page size right at your fingertips. No more digging through menus to find what you need. Whether you're writing a paper, creating a brochure, or drafting a report, having these tools easily available can save you time and frustration. Remember, the ability to customize your ribbon is there to make your life easier. Don't be afraid to go back into the Customize Ribbon options and tweak things further. Microsoft Word is a powerful tool, and it's most powerful when it's set up to work just right for you. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process to fix your Microsoft Word layout by customizing your ribbon to include the tools and options you need most. This simple tweak can make a big difference in your productivity and ease of use when working in Microsoft Word. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, taking a few minutes to tailor the application to fit your needs can lead to a more efficient and enjoyable writing experience. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide has made your Microsoft Word experience even smoother and more intuitive. Happy writing!